Welcome! If you're looking to make your Messenger experience smoother and more convenient, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable chat heads on Messenger with the latest steps for 2025. Chat heads let you keep your conversations floating on your screen, so you never miss a message, even while using other apps. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. You'll want to make sure you're running the latest version, so if you haven't updated Messenger in a while, it's a good idea to check for updates in your App Store before you begin. Once Messenger is open, look for the menu icon. This is usually found in the top left or top right corner of your screen, depending on your device. Tap on Menu to open up a list of options. Next, scroll down until you find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to enter the main configuration area for Messenger. This is where you can customize your experience and adjust all sorts of features. Now keep scrolling through the Settings menu until you spot the option labeled Chat Heads. This feature might be under a section called Bubbles or Notifications on some devices, but most often, you'll simply see Chat Heads. Once you've found it, you'll notice a toggle switch right next to it. All you have to do now is tap the toggle to turn Chat Heads on. If it's the first time you're enabling this feature, your phone might ask for permission to display over other apps. Go ahead and allow this. It's necessary for chat heads to work properly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled chat heads on Messenger. Now, whenever you receive a new message, a floating bubble will appear on your screen. You can tap on it to reply instantly, drag it around, or dismiss it when you're done. If you ever want to turn chat heads off, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch off. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded Messenger experience.